welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating history of the bull symbol and its profound meanings across different cultures. From ancient civilizations to modern interpretations, the bull has represented strength, fertility, and determination for centuries. Join us as we explore its significance and the stories that have shaped its enduring legacy. Let's get started. We'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you find most interesting about the history of the bull symbol? Do you have any personal connections to its meanings, or have you encountered the bull symbol in your own culture? Share your insights and stories in the comments below. The history of the bull symbol and its meaning. The bull has been a powerful symbol throughout history, representing strength, fertility, and determination across various cultures. Ancient civilizations. Mesopotamia. In ancient Mesopotamia, the bull was associated with several deities, including the storm god Adad. It symbolized agricultural abundance and was often depicted in art and mythology. Egypt, the bull, particularly the sacred Apis bull, represented fertility and was linked to the god Ptah. The Apis bull was revered and often mummified upon death. European cultures. Celtic symbolism. In Celtic mythology, the bull symbolized power and virility. It was often connected to the earth and the cycles of nature. Greek mythology. The bull appears in tales such as the story of the Minotaur, representing both brute strength and the darker aspects of human nature. Asian cultures. Hinduism. The bull is sacred in Hindu culture, symbolizing strength and fertility. Nandi, the bull, is the vehicle of Lord Shiva and represents loyalty and devotion. Chinese zodiac. In Chinese astrology, the year of the ox signifies diligence, dependability, and hard work. Modern interpretations. Financial markets. In contemporary contexts, especially in finance, a bull market indicates rising stock prices and investor confidence, symbolizing optimism and growth. Symbolic meanings. Strength and power. The bull is often viewed as a representation of immense strength and physical power. Fertility and abundance. Due to its association with agriculture, the bull symbolizes fertility and the prosperity of the land. Determination and stubbornness. Bulls are known for their tenacity, symbolizing determination and the ability to push through obstacles. The bull remains a significant symbol across various cultures, embodying qualities that resonate with human experiences of strength, perseverance, and growth. Its enduring presence in art, mythology, and modern symbolism highlights its universal appeal and importance. The bull has long been a potent symbol across different cultures and eras, representing a variety of concepts, from strength and fertility to determination and prosperity. Here's a deeper look at its history and significance. Ancient civilizations. Mesopotamia. In this region, the bull was closely tied to agriculture and fertility. It was often depicted in art, and its image was used in the worship of gods like Adad, the storm god, symbolizing the life-giving forces of nature. Egypt. The Apis bull was a sacred figure in ancient Egypt, associated with the god Ptah. Representing fertility and rebirth, the bull was worshipped, and its death was commemorated with elaborate funerary rituals, highlighting its importance in the afterlife. European cultures. Celtic symbolism. Among the Celts, the bull symbolized power, fertility, and the earth. It appeared in various myths, often as a guardian of the land and a symbol of the cycle of life. Greek mythology. The bull is prominent in Greek myths, notably in the story of the Minotaur, which represents the duality of human nature, strength and savagery. Bulls were also sacred to Zeus, often associated with his many transformations. Asian cultures. Hinduism. The bull plays a significant role in Hindu culture, especially in the form of Nandi, the sacred bull and mount of Lord Shiva. Nandi symbolizes strength, loyalty, and devotion, embodying the relationship between the divine and the earthly. Chinese zodiac. In Chinese astrology, the year of the ox represents hard work, reliability, and perseverance. The ox is seen as a symbol of strength and is celebrated for its role in agriculture. Indigenous cultures. Native American symbolism. In many Native American cultures, the bull, or buffalo, is revered as a symbol of abundance and sustenance. The buffalo is integral to their way of life, representing not only physical strength but also spiritual significance. Modern interpretations. Financial markets. In contemporary finance, the term bull market refers to a period of rising prices and investor optimism. The bull symbolizes economic growth and confidence, contrasting with the bear, which represents a decline. Sports and branding. The bull is often used as a mascot or symbol in sports and branding, embodying qualities like strength, determination, and resilience. Symbolic meanings. Strength and power. The bull is universally recognized as a symbol of physical strength and power, often depicted in art and literature as an embodiment of might. Fertility and abundance. Its association with agriculture makes the bull a symbol of fertility, representing the life-giving forces of nature and the prosperity of crops. Determination and stubbornness. The bull's inherent nature reflects determination and the ability to overcome obstacles, often seen as a metaphor for steadfastness in the face of challenges. Duality. In various mythologies, the bull represents the duality of nature, both nurturing and destructive. This complexity adds depth to its symbolism. Conclusion. The bull's significance spans cultures and centuries, embodying a range of meanings that resonate with human experiences. Its enduring presence in art, mythology, and modern contexts underscores its universal appeal as a symbol of strength, fertility, and resilience. As societies evolve, the bull remains a powerful icon, reflecting our connection to the earth and the cycles of life. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this journey through the history of the bull symbol and discovered its rich meanings. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more intriguing content on symbols and their histories. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Share your favorite bull-related stories or symbols in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring the world of symbols.